देशाचो फुडार भुरग्यांचेर निंबून आसा। हेच तरणाटे भारताचो आधार, भारताचे भविष्य देखून विद्यार्थ्यांमदी देशभक्ती जागोवपाची गरज आसा, राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लैन सांगले। वास्कोन 14 डिसेंबराक गोय नौदळ भवनात नौदळ दीस मनयलो। वास्कोचो आमदार कृष्णा साळकर, पंचायत मंत्री मोविन गुदिनो, नौदळ अधिकारी अजय थिओफिलस आणि गोयचो राज्यपाल हजर असले। नेवल विमानांनी फ्लाय पास्ट, सोद आणि बचाव डेमो, इंटरसेप्टर क्राफ्ट कंपनीन वेगान धावप आणि रिट्रीट सुवाळ्याक मात करप ही कार्यावळीची खाशेलपणां आशिल्ली। सूर्यास्ता वेळार नौदळाच्या जहाजांचो उजवाड घालून ही कार्यावळ पुराय जाली।
आज खूप बरें दिसता आणि आज तांचे नेवी डे सेलिब्रेशन आसले। खुबश्यो गोष्टी आमकां ज्यो खबर पसून नाशिल्ल्यो, तांच्या शिप्सां नाल्यार बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी जाणे आज आमकां एक शॉर्ट फिल्मान दाखयल्यो। म्हणजे नेवी आमच्या देशाचें रक्षण करतात, पूण इवन सिविलियन लायफान नाल्यार सोशल लायफान ते कितलें काम करता। आमच्या गोंयांत तांचे 2 बेजीस आसा आनी ते सगळे आमच्या देशाचे एका वटेन रक्षणूय करता, पूण आमच्या सोशल लायफान आमच्या सिविलियन्साक कितें जाय, एक ऑर्फनेजीक ताणें डीप फ्रिजर दिवप, नाजाल्यार स्कुलान वचून अवेरनेस करप, नाल्यार खंयच्याय स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांक हाडून नेवीन कितें ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आसा, कितें आसा हें सगळें दाखोवप।
Navy Day, as all of you know, is because of December 4th, 1971, where India bombed entire Karachi. And it is a big day for the Navy, the nation per se, because that is one of the days when they actually changed the war. And today we always celebrate the Navy Day on December 4th. This year we had a very grand celebration of Navy Day in Sindhudurg, where the Prime Minister also attended, and the unveiling of the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue was undertaken, which was made by the Navy, and this is all dedicated to the nation. And today also we could not do it on 4th, so we did it on the 14th, because we still wanted to do the Navy Day celebration for the public here, and we involved the children for the first time.
The Navy Day celebration seems to be very fine, and our national integration is concerned. The program of the kids, of course, inspired us and, for the integration of our country, patriotism to be inserted in the students, and of course our school is also. I'm especially congratulating the school students and teachers and all those who has given training to them.
It has indeed been a very splendid celebration, I must say, of Naval Day done this time here, displaying our real prowess in defending our country. Navy plays one of the biggest roles, and I must compliment all the Admiral who is here, along with all his colleagues, for having a very good functioning, showcasing what actually is the potent behind the naval presence in Goa and elsewhere.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, गौतमी गावकर आणि निखिल जल्मी।